I'm Dawn Michelle, and this is Makeup or Breakup Blog. Today I'm going to be reviewing products from the latest base subscription of Ipsy for July 2020. Let's see what's inside. Now, the theme for Ipsy July 2020 is take a break. It follows airplane mode your phone, put up a mental, do not disturb, it's time to re-energize. Whether it's a living room dance party or a bold lipstick, take a break from the ordinary, let loose and go with the flow. Where will it take you? And the hashtag is Ipsy Take a Break. I'm looking within and it gives some tips for your ultimate beauty staycation, but it is not an info card to let you know what is inside your card. I am loving it. Look how cute that is. It says escape here. And it has a little, you see that? It's an airplane. That's part of the zipper. That's so cute. And I'm loving the bright colors, pastel-y, very Miami, very getaway, very Caribbean island, palm trees, gotta love it. The only thing that some people might have an issue with is that the bag smells extremely plasticky. It smells like the beach balls, the multicolored beach balls you would get when you were a kid and you would go to the beach with, and you would open them up to put air in, and it has that strong plastic smell. This smells just like it, so I don't know if that was intentional. On that note, I'm gonna pull up my phone here, go to my Ipsy app, and pull up what I gotten. This kind of removes the whole sense of being surprised by what you're gonna get. It does let you know. They call it a sneak peek, but you get to see what it is that you got in your bag. I love it, and then I'm like, I don't love it. In the sense, I love it that I know what's coming, in a way. The other flip side is I know what's coming, in a way, which means that I'm not surprised, and I like the element of gifting myself, if that makes sense. On the other hand, if I find that there's stuff missing, and it wasn't in there, and they told me I was getting it, then I can send an email to Ipsy Care, and they usually take care of it pretty fast. All right, so the first thing I have in here is from Pure, and it's their Radiant Glow Illuminating BB Cream with an SPF of 30. Pretty cool. And it's in light medium, and I'm gonna learn a little bit more about it. It says why you'll love it. This multitasking BB cream is made for hectic mornings. A few drops gives your skin dewy, natural looking coverage and protects it from pollution and UV damage too. Oh, nice. Regular sunscreen is a non-negotiable for healthy skin, especially in summer, and the SPF 30 in this cream makes it easy to get your recommended daily dose. And it's loaded with skin-friendly antioxidants like brightening goji berry and moisturizing jasmine. This normally weighs in at 7 ml. The sample size is a 0.24 fluid ounces. Oh yeah, 7 ml. This is their sample size. I'm hoping that's what it is. That's what it's saying it is. It weighs in at that. I wonder how much it costs full size. Well, I'll go to the handy web link that they have here. Per lease, it sends me right to it. Let me get out of that for a second. It's normally $35 for this. Let me see what the size is. I was able to find an ingredients list, and I'll post that. Take a picture of this and I'll post it somewhere here on the Amazon site, because apparently Pure sells their product on Amazon. You can get it direct from them through Amazon, which is interesting. And apparently it's 1.4 ounces, which is 40 ml. So that is the normal size that runs for $35. Is it $35? 36? Yeah. Next product here is from a brand that I don't see too often in my box, but for some reason this is calling to me. This is from SERAPHINE Botanicals. This is called Daisy and Pearl Natural Radiance Booster. Can you see that? And on the back it reads that it's vegan, cruelty-free, and GMO-free. There's a bunny right there, which is nice. And I'm not sure. It says it's a booster. What does that mean? Well, we'll look it up on the website here. Looking for a lit within glow? This gorgeous highlighter is your go-to for subtle shimmer to all over luminosity. It's pretty and healthy. This highly pigmented highlighter is made with natural daisy flower extract and jojoba seed to nourish and hydrate skin. It's also loaded with micronized luminizing pigments that pick up and diffuse light for natural looking radiance. Like all SERAPHINE botanical products, it's natural, vegan, and cruelty free. I'm believing this may be full size. Weighing in at 3.5 grams. Full size, this is $22. The packaging, unassuming, clean, classic, gets to the point. Made of plastic. This is the All Over Glow Booster. Feels very, it's firm, but feels smooth. Ooh. And that is the Highlight Shimmer Baby.
I like it.
I have heard of because I think I received something recently, their eye serum, which I use and I like. This is the company Verb, and this is their Manage and Restore Hydrating Mask. Okay, so let's see at the website for Ipsy what this is. Just like us, sometimes our hair needs a little extra TLC. Oh, it's for hair. And this nourishing hair mask has become a staple in our self-care routines. This lightweight formula is perfect for a hit of hydration that doesn't weigh down your hair. Argan oil, sunflower seed extract, and provitamins B5 help improve hair's elasticity for less breakage. Smooth strands for extra manageability and provide some UV protection. I'm already loving that. It's so versatile. You can use it as a regular conditioner, 5-minute in-shower mask, or overnight treatment. Plus it's great for whole hair types. That's great. It's perfect for all hair types. And it weighs in here at 0.67 ounces. Yeah. But this has to be a sample size. And for the full size of this, it's $18 US. They do have an afterpay function though, and just free installments on available for orders over $35. Okay. The normal size is 6.8 ounces. Oh, favorite time is tools time, and I got a makeup brush, and this is from the brand FIRMA, and it's the number 201 brush. You see right there. And I'm gonna pull this. I love getting brushes. This feels kind of soft. I like that. Soft but firm. Like here, it's kind of fluffy. I wonder if it's a shader brush. Let's see. This is the FIRMA Beauty 201 Tall Blender Brush. We found it your go-to brush for all your splashy summer eye looks. The soft synthetic bristles pick up just the right amount of color and blend it out evenly and easily. Okay, use it all over your lids to apply colors to your eye crease or to blend your smoky eye to perfection. This versatile brush does it all. Can we talk about the black handle? We love how chic it looks in our brush jar. Full size, of course. This runs by itself for $12.99 US. Now for my Ipsy, I'm allowed, even though it's the base bag, to choose one thing to put with the other 4 selections that Ipsy will choose for me based on my profile. And I chose this because I found it interesting and I wanted to try it out. This is called MUDMASKY. I'm already loving the name. Like, it's kind of MUDMASKY. Like, I can imagine a conversation that went on about the name and they stuck with it. This is their Facial Detox Purifying Recovery Mask. So it sounds like a heavy duty thing. Why you love it. Summer heat can wreak havoc on skin, but don't worry, this all-natural mask is here to help reset your complexion and get it back on track. Detox pores and invigorate your skin with the premium, okay, this is a big word, I'm gonna put that here. If anybody can tell me how to pronounce that, that would be great. It's a certain kind of clay. It helps eliminate impurities in your skin, minimize the appearance of pores, and stimulate blood flow for a healthy glow. Organic Moroccan lava clay gives your skin the minerals and nutrients it needs to look and feel its best. Dewy skin coming right up. Oh, so it says it soothes irritation, reduces redness and flaking, plus it's scientifically proven, this is what they're writing, to speed up wound healing by stimulating new skin cell growth. I don't know if I would apply this directly to the wound, but I guess it helps the overall skin get better. This weighs in at 15 ml, but I'm just curious what their full price is. The full size of this bad boy is $67.44. Here are my two add-ons. First add-on is from the brand Levito, and I have one of their heavier creams that I use at night, and it's tremendous. And I reviewed it recently in the moisturizer that I have been using, and I'll post a video somewhere here, or at the end of the video. This is their Hydrating Facial Cleanser. The normal size of it is 3 ounces, and it retails about $29 US. Last but certainly not least is my second add-on. This is from CIATE London, and this is their Watermelon Burst Hydrating Primer. The price I get for the CIATE London Watermelon Primer is around $28 US. So I am going to give the Ipsy Glam Bag base bag, I'm giving it an A. For $12, you can't beat it. What do I think was missing? Something for the lips to protect them. Because in July, especially in New York City, with the heat, the humidity, and especially the sun, your lips have to be protected along with the rest of your face. So I would have appreciated getting something for the lips as well. Overall, I'm very excited about what I have. What about you? What did you get in your Ipsy bag? Let me know in the comments below. And if you haven't already, hit that like button, and even better, hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you will know my next video will be up. Are you an Ipster? Do you subscribe? Let me know in the comments below. Again, my name is Dawn Michelle. This is Makeup or Breakup Blog, and I'll see you on the next video. Take care.